Welcome back. Today I'm at Sunshine Garden Centre, which is my local garden centre in North London. I buy a lot of plants here because the plant quality is really good. I'm here because I want to show you this Rudbeckia. Rudbeckia gives great late summer colour. It's a real burst of sunshine in your garden. It's actually a bit hot and dry to plant in the ground at the moment, so I would plant them in a pot and then transfer them to the border in the autumn when there's more moisture in the soil. Or you could just put them in a container. This Rudbeckia is called Rudbeckia fulgida goldsturm. It's got these sort of droopy reflexed petals and it's got a little cone-shaped centre. It's a very pretty one, but there are loads of cultivars now of Rudbeckia, and sometimes they're crossed with echinacea, so it's quite confusing because they look a little bit like echinacea. So these ones behind have been crossed with echinacea. Now the bees love Rudbeckia. It's covered in bees, and we really need to promote bees because they're in decline. So plant for wildlife as well as for beauty. Great in clumps, great in drifts with ornamental grasses. Rudbeckia like full sun and a fertile, moist but well-drained soil. So put it in a sunny position and it'll be really happy. Wonderful colour. You couldn't get better than this at this time of year. Lots of sunshine colours. Some of these Rudbeckia have got great names. This one's called Enchanted Velvet Flame, a wonderful cultivar, quite unusual coloured flowers, sort of slightly bronzy. So you get a great selection here. And the bees are just loving it, so do plant them for the bees. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.